Okay, tour of the bird room starts with folding butterfly chair from which you can read the perch. Get a grip net serves as the centerpiece. And a little blue-headed pie girl there hanging out on the net. Little circular swing. Mr. Django, who is welcoming you to one of the pie cages. The coveted red jolly ball in a new location. Wonderful swing from which to look out the window. Right now I've just got one of the full spectrum lights resting on the air cleaner, but I will replace that soon with another pole floor lamp. Never mind the empty wine glass. Humidifier. A nice swing. And that would be a great place to sleep if you are a Senegal. A boing. Nice cage to hang out all day in if you're a Senny. Especially the favorite loft place on the top of the cage. Hey, Nasty. Nice place to look out the window or get head scritches. Another boing. Another pie cage. Great place to spend the day. Little blue jolly ball for another pie to sleep in. Little Django bird who's very curious, following us around. We'll get the above the net view. Hey, Kelly. Some hoops from which you can swing or do your pull-ups. Travel cages or sleep cages. Pie-Employ TV. Pie-Employ radio. And extra toys.